Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I would like to present about my business plan for subject Fundamental of Entrepreneurship ENT 300. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first is a business profile. My business name is Sweety Career Surgeon Berhad. We managed to get this name for my business is because of the product that I sell, which is a quick career. My business is a sole proprietorship that consists of 4 staff including me. As we all know, Quick Career is a Malaysian deep fried donuts that are made from sweet potatoes. I decided to sell Quick Career because some of the Malaysian people don't have a chance to taste the Quick Career because not many sellers are selling this Quick Career. Okay, next is business logo or motto. Okay, first is circle circular around the career. It defines that we want to sell our career all over Malaysia. Okay, next is the career. It defines that actual the future of the career. Okay, the blue color in the background, it defines that the texture and the taste the career can give warmth to the customer when they eat it. Okay, after that is our business visions. Quick Career is one of our traditional foods that I want to be commercially, and I want this food well known worldwide. Okay, for the business missions, Quick Career is a company dedicated to providing the high quality product among customers to feed the taste more delicious than others. Okay, for the business objective, first is to increase profit within a year. Second is to accomplish goal and target market. 3 is to become the first Quick Career support in Malacca and can import to the overseas. Okay, next is administrative plan. Administrative plan is a plan related to and completing the operation plan or order, which provide information and instruction covering the logistic and administrative support the operation or business. Okay, for the organization chart is first is I as a manager and administrative department. Second is Najha as a marketing and financial departments. Third is Hanis as operation department. Okay, for the schedule of our remunerations, for the manager and administrations, their salary is at 3,000. For the operation staff, 6,600. For financial marketing staff, 2,000. So the total is 6,600. The list of office equipment is first is office furniture, second is laptop, desk, chair, and air condition. All the total of this item is 6,685. Next is administration budget. In administration budget as a fixed asset, which is office equipment, for the total is 6,685. For the working capital as salaries and utilities, the total is 6,900. For the others is business registration with SSM, business license with a local authority, and stationery. The total is 4 ringgit and 95. For the pre-operation is business registrations, deposit for rents, water bills, and electricity bills. The total is 1,040 ringgit. So the total of this administration budget is 50,120. Okay, for the marketing plan, first is a customer. Our target customer is from student, tourists, and people around our cafe. Our customer is from age 18 until 50 years. For the age from 35 until 35, all is tourists and workers that work near to our cafe. The location of our cafe is beside Terminal Bus Malacca Central. Okay, for the sale forecast is for the average sale per month is 44,202. And next is marketing strategies. In marketing strategies as a product and service, which is first is the recipe of a Quick Career. Okay, second is a list of ingredients such as sweet potato, all-purpose flour, tapioca flour, caster sugar, water, salt, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour for dusting. Okay, for the promotion, we have a website, Facebook, Instagram page, and banner. Okay, for the place, I choose this location because it's in the center of this area. There are also have bus station that close to our shop and also had a shopping mall and other fast food. This area will be having many people, so that have made me choose this place. The customer can come to our place if they stay near in our shop, and also my bakery provide delivery to the customer that stay near to our shop. Okay, for the marketing budget, first is a fixed asset. For the signboard, the price is 150. For the others, is a flyers. Flyers is 200. Banner is a 40 ringgit. Business card is a 35 ringgit. For the license for banner is a 80 ringgit. The total is a 355. For the pre-operation is for the grand opening is a 400. The total is a 400. Okay, the total of this marketing budget is 905. Okay, for the production plan, first is production process. First, boil sweet potato for 10 and 15 minutes. After that, once mashed sweet potatoes ever cooled to room temperature, add wheat flour and mix well. Third is heat enough oil in a machine fryer to deep fry donuts. Fry donut until they float. Okay, lastly for the production process is heat sugar and water over the medium heat. Once the mixture caramelizes, switch off the stove and mix donut into the syrup. Okay, for the production planning is for the average sale for the forecast per month 44,202. Price per unit is 7 ringgit. Number of output per month is 7,743 units. In material requirements, the item is a salt, caster sugar, sweet potato, cooking oil, tapioca flour, plant flour, and packaging. So the total of this item is 3,821 ringgit. For the purchase forecast is 45,768. Okay, next is overhead cost. For the overhead cost is 2,255. For the production budget is first is for the fixed assets is machines. In the production budget as for the fixed asset is as a machine fry donuts. The price is 5,900 per unit. So we buy 2 units. So the total is 11,800 ringgit. For the working capital is salaries. Salaries is 6,600. The raw materials is 3,411. For the packaging is 400. For the full expenses is 100 per year, 1,000 per year. So the total is 4,811. For the other is insurance and road tax, which is 400. So the total is 20,611. Okay, next is our financial cost. For financial cost as our financial planning, first is marketing expenditure. The total is 905. Next is administrative expenditure. The total is 50,120. For the operation expenditure, the total is 24,570 ringgit. For the working capital, as a project implementation cost and source of finance. For the project implementation cost, the total is 40,598 ringgit. Okay, for the financial ratio analysis, first is a liquidity. First is a current ratio. For the first year is 125, then increasing to 158, and until the third year is increasing to the 175. For the quick ratio, the increasing is same with the current ratio. After that, for the efficiency in the inventory turnover, it is don't have any increasing or decreasing. Next is for the profitability, which is a gross profit margins. In this does not have any change. For the net profit margin in the first year is 62.37%, then it increased to the 63.99% in the second year, and then for the third year it increasing to the 65.46%. Moreover, for the solvency, first is a debt to equity for the first year is 8.85%, then decreasing to the 3.54%, and then keep decreasing to only at 1.82% for the third year. For the debt to asset is 8.13% for the first year, then decreasing to the 3.42% at the second year, and then keep decreasing to the 1.78 in the third year. For the time interest earned in the first year is 199, then increase to 268 in the second year, and for the third year is a keep increase to 368. For the first graph is a current ratio. It's the relationship between the firm's liquid, which is current asset, and is a current liabilities. For this graph, the current ratio is a keep increasing, so the business will be able to pay all matured debts. Same with the second graph, which is a quick ratio. It keep increasing, and they will be able the business to pay off short-term obligation without relying on inventory sales. For the graph inventory turnover and gross profit margin, it don't have any change. For the net profit graph, it shows that it keep increasing. This is because that business get more profit even after pay the tax. It shows the business doing well. For the return on asset graph, it shows that graph is keep increasing. This because the overall return on the firm asset, inclusive of the financial leverage and tax. For the return on equity graph, it shows the graph increasing. This because of the common stockholder return on in the business assets. For the debt to equity, it shows the graph is decreasing. This because the business of dollars of debt financing used for every dollar of equity financing is only in the small quantity. For the debt to asset, it shows the graph is also decreasing. This is because the dollar used to cover asset is not so much being used. In conclusion, this business project will be helpful and give guidance to all of us to start the business. We were able to plan and execute our business detail even our business is a small and did not get a lot of profits. This is because not all the business will get a profit, and some of the business will get experience of losses. We gain a lot of experience how to handle the business as well as the operation and what business has to undergo to become successful to achieve our budget. This project also helps to we enhance our entrepreneurship skills through the hard work. I was successful to achieve our budget. In the future, we are looking forward to continue our own business. Thank you.